मॉर्निंग गाइस, सुबह के बजे 4 और हम अभी हेयर कट जाएंगे आज। सो इसके लिए तैयार होते हैं।
Just now we boarded bus in Namakkal.
That bus will directly go to Salem, and from Salem we will take another bus to Yerkad. It's very colorful bus, you guys know.
Yeah.
It's looking like aesthetic
Party lights.
Yeah. Okay. We will meet you in some good light. Not
I look like an avatar. Purple color, blue color face.
yeah. And my face it's pinky color, something like this. It's okay,
guys. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Guys, we are in bus that is going from Salem to Yerkad, and we are in the midway. Now we will going to start our loopholes. Ma'am is getting deja vu.
I'm getting deja vu. I missed that. So,
I don't know, guys. We are so excited actually. We have not even slept yesterday last night.
I slept like more like 2 hours. Not more than that.
And even if you say like we have slept in last afternoon, no, we have not slept afternoon. We were playing.
Yeah, we played a lot of games. Now we're about to start.
Oh my god, it was so fun. Wait, I will show you it starting. Okay, guys. See the cloudiness. Can you see in the camera? Yes. Now it's going to start. It will take a turn. Yes, hey guys, यहाँ से और ये टर्न लिया और ये फर्स्ट हेयरपुन लूप ऑफ हैनले बन गया है. So that's how it will going. I don't know how much loop of hanle are there. After we will reach, I will show you there. Till then, bye bye. See how many colorful plants are there. Wow.
You observe how slowly it is going?
Yeah. So guys, finally Yerkad. Which point is this?
I don't know, but we'll go to Lake House and first we have to eat. Come.
Yeah, first we will eat and I will show you how the it's so cold. It's so nice. I'll show you. Guys, धुंधी fog है हर जगह. You can see it's so nice and the way was so great. देखो guys, बहुत अच्छा मतलब बहुत अच्छा है यहाँ पर. धुंधी ऐसा लग रहा है कहीं मनाली वगैरह में आ गए हैं. इतनी ठंडी ठंडी हवा चल रही है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. इधर संतरे भी लगे हुए हैं पेड़ के ऊपर, हवा चल रही है बहुत अच्छी अच्छी सी.
We're out for a coffee. Sneha is drinking her coffee.
Hot coffee, guys.
Yeah, and cool weather.
Yeah.
It's fun.
We are having a walk. Like you can't see.
It's so fog. It's so foggy. It's so cool. It's so peaceful. Like filter of coffee and a walk in a foggy place. What else do we need? Yeah. So yes.
Going on. Otherwise, it's fun.
Yeah.
Pragati ma'am, what's our plan for now?
I don't know.
It's a random plan.
Yeah, it's random. Like the trip. It was last minute. So is the plan.
So first, where should we go?
Maybe I don't know. I don't know, maybe lake, boat, park.
Okay, there are three options, guys. Lake, boat,
Both are
park.
same actually. No, lake, boat, park. Oh yeah, see, it's nice.
See, guys. What is this?
I don't know. Can you take a picture of me? I'll
Yeah.
stand here.
Okay.
It was so.
ब्यूटी ऑफ हेयर कट गाइस। सी आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कलर्स के फ्लावर देखने को मिल जाएंगे यहाँ पे। एंड इट्स क्वाइट रेनिंग और नॉट रेनिंग, वी डोंट नो एक्चुअली
We're
बिकॉज
just going with the flow.
yeah, it's quite nice. The greenery. You can't expect that this is Tamil Nadu actually, because no one can expect Tamil Nadu so pretty.
Yeah, it's really so pretty. Oh my god, my hair looks red.
Yeah.
Finally.
So cool. You can't expect Tamil Nadu to be so cool actually.
It's really so pretty, guys.
Yeah.
Like the fog, the weather is everything. It's like amazing.
Yes. It's so nice walking in the road like this and just
weather.
roaming, and the weather. Everything is like feeling so good actually.
It feels like, oh, seriously, people who live in hill station are like the luckiest
Person. Yeah.
on earth. Like, what do you mean you get to see this every day? So jealous.
Finally, we reached to park,
Eco Park.
Eco Park. तो हम यहाँ पे इको पार्क में बहुत देर वेस्ट करने के बाद पहुँचे। एक्चुअली में क्या हुआ था कि है ना, हम बोट हाउस की तरफ आ रहे थे, उससे एक स्टॉप आगे उतर गए थे। एंड देन लाइक व्हेन वी आर कमिंग बैक वी चूज़ अ डिफरेंट पाथ। दैट्स हाउ वी वेंट 1 kilometer in different direction, that we came back and then we have reached here. So it's the eco park. Yeah. सो गाइस, हम इको पार्क में हैं यरकड़ के। इधर 20 रुपए की एंट्री फीस होती है। If you want to come, then you should have 20 rupees in your wallet.
Yeah, 20 rupees per adult.
Yeah, for adult.
Like, I could have said Sneha is a kid, but I didn't. I just took 20 rupees for her too. Like, yeah, 10 for kids, 20 for adults. So,
See
yeah,
behind.
it's really nice. Oh, wait.
No, you come.
Yeah. It's like, wait. Cringiest cringe. Let's delete it. Wait,
No,
come.
nothing will be deleted. Oh yeah.
Did this?
Yeah. Yes. So guys, it's इको पार्क। यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, लाइक रेन फॉरेस्ट की तरह है। यहाँ पे बैठने की भी चीज़ें हैं, झूले भी हैं। एंड सी वन अ गुड थिंग इज़ द डायनासोर। द डायनासोर, सी इट्स सो क्यूट राइट। इसके साथ और हाँ, यहाँ पे एक सांप भी है। मैं आपको सांप भी दिखा के लेके आती हूँ। इट्स सो गुड। मतलब आपको इतना रियल लगेगा ना वो सांप कि है ना, मतलब बता नहीं सकती, बहुत रियल है। डर लगता है उसको, आँख वो देखता है, मतलब है वो, मुझे पता है वो रियल नहीं है, फिर भी हम उसको देखते हैं ना तो इसमें डर वाली सी वाइब आती है। वहाँ पे लोग हैं ना वीडियोस ले रहे हैं। वहाँ पे एक सांप है, वहाँ पे एक सांप है गाइस। बहुत डर लगता है उससे। ओके, बहुत ठंडी भी लग रही है इधर। मज़ा आ रहा है, बस अच्छा लग रहा है। यरकड़ आने के बाद में बहुत अच्छी सी फीलिंग आ रही है, ठंडी ठंडी लग रही है बहुत। हाथ भी लाल लाल से हो रखे हैं। सी एक्चुअली में हुआ क्या ना था हमारे साथ में, हमने ना टाइम थोड़ा सा वेस्ट करिए 1 घंटे के आसपास। क्या हुआ था कि है ना, हम आए थे, मतलब बस वाले ने हमें वहाँ पे बोट लेक के पास में रोका था, बट हम वहाँ पे नहीं रुके, हम उससे अगले स्टेशन पर, अगले स्टॉप पर रुके। अगले स्टॉप पर रुकने के बाद में है ना, हम वापस आ रहे थे तो हम दूसरी साइड निकल गए थे और हमें दूसरी साइड आना था, तो उसकी वजह से हम थोड़ा लेट हो गए हैं, वरना हम बहुत सारी जगह घूम सकते थे। बट हाँ, अभी कोई नहीं, अभी भी अच्छा ही है वैसे तो, अच्छा लग रहा है। देखो मुंह में से भी हा फोग आ रहा है। अब हम कहाँ पे जाएंगे? प्रगति मैम, वेयर वी हैव टू गो नाउ?
After this park, we can go to the viewpoint.
या viewpoint,
It will
like
be nice. Yeah, the weather is so good. The viewpoint will be so good. I hope, please.
yes, we came only for the viewpoint, like the main attraction of our Yerkal trip was the viewpoint, because Pragati ma'am have went there and she sent me a video of hers there, so I liked it so much.
Yeah, I went while I was in first year. Then she was preparing for her NEET. So sad. Oh my God.
I was in my depressing era
Yeah,
at
she
that
was
time.
in her trauma while I was enjoying. Now that we're both finished
Same
that
phase.
stage.
Now we are in another different trauma phase.
Yeah, that's different. Let's not talk about it. I still have 2.5 years in this. Let's not.
Let's
I
not
should pass
disclose
this.
our cause.
Yeah, so come, let's do that.
Yeah. Oh, there are swings actually. We can.
Yeah, come.
Yay. मतलब फोग दिख रहा है, किसी को बता नहीं सकते कि यहाँ पे चारों तरफ सराउंडिंग, व्हाट इज देयर इन द सराउंडिंग्स।
अच्छा।
या अच्छा हाँ।
Like that's my Hindi.
No, she knows Hindi
I
very
can
well.
understand, but I can't speak. कुछ होता है,
आता है।
ये समझाता है,
हाँ।
बताने के लिए नहीं आता है.
अच्छा। Where did you learn that from actually?
So these are
Wet. Okay. No, yeah, this is also wet actually.
Bro, what should we?
Yeah.
I'm keeping our bags here.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's visible.
No problem. Yeah. You don't get any more?
Yes.
I will see. I will give you a picture.
Please stop, stay here.
Okay.
I'm scared.
I'll push you. Oh, that's so scary. Really? I like it so much. Yeah.
It's not even pushing hard.
Yay! Now you also sit, ma'am. It's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah. Two types of friends.
Yeah.
Who likes to swing?
One who likes adventure, one who likes calmness.
No, one who likes life.
Yeah, that's true.
One who wants.
One who risks her life.
Nice. Because of this Tanmay, I'm singing all Hindi songs.
Oh,
She's been keeping all Hindi
Hindi
songs.
songs, yeah.
I don't want to sing Hindi songs.
Hi. You don't like them?
No, I like them, but like not like how Tanmay likes.
Okay. Like
Like she should like it, yeah.
you should also like it.
I like other songs, not the songs she like.
Okay.
Wait. We'll do this thing like I'll do this our POV, like my POV,
Okay.
You know your place.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Done.
What house?
We are done with one place, guys.
Yeah.
Now we are moving to another place.
Okay.
That's the main place we are here to go.
Yeah. Viewpoint.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yay!
And I'll show you another view. How to change the camera?
No, it,
Move front.
we are drinking lemon soda in beer bottles.
Yes. Lemon soda.
खाए पिए को हजम करें.
अच्छा अच्छा.
खाया पिया है आपने कुछ जो हजम कर रहे हो?
Yeah. Yeah.
What have you ate?
I didn't, but I understood what she said. I ate something. No, I didn't eat anything. Actually, I'm drinking. This is my first
That's
drink of
okay.
the day. I didn't even drink. Yeah, I didn't even drink water ever since I woke up. This is my first drink of the day. And yeah, since we finished Eco Park,
Yeah.
boathouse we skipped, and then yeah, we actually planned to get on a horse. They said it's 200 for 10 meters.
Yeah, it's like
She's like,
so less
Yeah.
distance. And they are asking 200 for what?
not fair. So we just dropped. And yeah,
Next we are here. Where?
Rose Garden.
Rose Garden.
Viewpoint, Botanical Garden, ladies seat, gents seat, children's seat,
Children's-
everything.
Every seat is there. Okay.
That's it, guys.
Yeah, now we will go after drinking this. Like these are our snacks, guys. Healthy drinks with chia seeds.
Yeah, healthy drinks with chia seeds. Not even sugar, salt.
Yes.
Salty lemon soda.
Okay. Bye bye. हम आपको व्यू पॉइंट पे मिलते हैं अभी. Bye. सो गाइस हम यहाँ पे पहले हमने सोचा था कि हम ना है ना फ्लावर शॉप पे जाएंगे, वहाँ पे फ्लावर्स वगैरह देख के आएंगे. बट हमें फ्लावर शॉप जाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं थी, क्योंकि एक्चुअल में हुआ क्या ना, वो मई में बंद हो जाती है. लाइक 29 मई को वो क्लोज़ हो जाती है. सो हम आए हैं अभी व्यू पॉइंट देखने के लिए. तो हमने देखा वाओ, देखो कितने अच्छे अच्छे फ्लावर्स हैं यहाँ पे. तो फ्लावर शॉप जाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. इतने अच्छे अच्छे फूल्स हमें देखने को यहीं पर मिल गए हैं. अब हम थोड़ी देर में जाएंगे व्यू पॉइंट के ऊपर पे एंड देन व्यू पॉइंट देखेंगे. अभी और भी ठंड होती जा रही है, बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे ठंड होती जा रही है. बस बहुत ठंड लग रही है. अच्छा भी लग रहा है. कल संडे है, कल मंडे है. मंडे को कल कॉलेज भी जाना है, फिर भी कोई बात नहीं है. बट बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. येरकड़ एक बार आना ज़रूर चाहिए, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सी कितने अच्छे अच्छे प्रीटी फ्लावर्स हैं यहाँ पे. पिंक, रेड,
And
या
yeah.
ये मेरा चश्मा देख ही लीजिए गाइस, नया चश्मा. हर व्लॉग में आपको नया चश्मा दिखता है मेरा. दे आर कॉलिंग. ओके गाइस, अभी हम व्यू पॉइंट देखने जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, बाय बाय, मिलते हैं आपको बाद में. सो हम व्यू पॉइंट पर पहुंच गए हैं गाइस. ये यहाँ का व्यू पॉइंट है. सी दैट्स द व्यू पॉइंट हियर. कम गाइस.
I'm in my homeless outfit.
It's okay.
It's fine.
Yeah.
We're about to go to the
Viewpoint.
point. Yeah. It will be nice, but there won't be view.
Like
But
because
it will be
everything is
Yeah.
closed with fog. But what is nice?
ஆமா எங்க போற
We going together.
Okay. Let's go guys. यहाँ पे देखो डस्टबिन भी बंदर के लिए बनाया गया है.
Yeah, I even took pictures here.
Here
Yeah.
red stones.
With red stones.
Here I would say something.
Earlier when me and Tanmay came, Tanmay wrote something here.
Oh, there. Let's check it out.
Yeah.
If there is.
Her name, I think they painted. It's been like 2 years.
Okay, well,
So, but she wrote Thanmay loves her ex.
Yeah.
Like that's the cringiest thing.
Yeah, it's a cringe.
Oh yeah, they painted. I've told you.
Okay.
Shit, I would have teased her.
Yeah. So like, because she moved on, they also let her move on from the paint.
Yeah, that's a sign. Tanmay, if you're watching this,
yeah.
it's a sign for
Sign for you that you should.
you. Not go back to it.
Yeah. Oh, it's so cold. So cold. Look at it. You can see, guys, like behind us there is nothing, just white fog, and white fog, and the cold breeze.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, it's so cool. We are loving it.
Imagine living here.
Yeah. That's like coolest thing they have ever done in their whole life by living.
Luckiest.
Yeah.
They're lucky.
Yes. We are walking.
Like when I was a kid, I used to look at mountains. Like my home was like down.
Yeah.
I used to look at mountains and was like, oh, it's cool to touch the clouds.
Oh,
Now
like
we are in between the clouds.
Yeah, like I used to think that what should we, if we have a tree house, like living in a tree house is a dream.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a, this is a viewpoint.
No, I don't think so. We
Okay.
took pictures. Like,
Okay. So we have to climb more, guys.
no, it's the viewpoint.
Okay, it's a viewpoint.
That is the end point.
Okay. Let's go on the viewpoint. Finally, पहुंच गए हैं.
இப்படியா இருங்க அவங்க போட்டோ எடுக்க போறாங்கல்ல இப்படியா இருங்க
पहुंच गए हैं guys हम व्यू पॉइंट पे. It's completely wet. We can't see. We can't sit here and oh my god, you can't see anything.
Yeah.
You can't even say it's a viewpoint because it's nothing viewable here actually. What's the point of coming here all by? Yeah, let's see. That's the viewpoint, guys, of Yerkad. See, there is nothing you can see.
Sorry, guys.
Oh my god, flowers are beautiful actually, but the fog is only the viewpoint here, guys. So life lesson is that don't keep your expectations high.
It was foggy.
Yeah, but it's fun. Finally. Okay, bye bye. अब हमें enjoy करने दीजिए.
Yeah, guys. Sneha will tell you what we're doing.
Actually, there is some different areas. Like one area we have a dry area, and after some time we have a wet area. Like you can feel like there is a rain, but there is no rain actually. There's just a fog. Yeah, it's something like different, unexpected natural things.
So, we can see, I think, wait, if we turn this.
Yeah. Yeah. See, like it's wet.
She bought
You
it.
can see, guys, I bought this as a souvenir for my Yerkad trip actually.
Oh, yeah, that's cute.
Oh, thank you. Let's go. Okay, now we are going to some different viewpoints actually. There are children viewpoints, there are gents viewpoints, there are ladies viewpoints also.
But as it's foggy,
We can't see
everywhere it's
anything.
foggy. Everything is basically the same.
Yeah. So we don't know which viewpoint we are heading to, but we are just moving. We are just going with the flow. It's so wet actually. It feels like it rained, but it hasn't rained yet. Yeah, that much heavy fog that it feels like it's so wet. यू कैन हियर द वॉइस ऑफ ब्रीज एक्चुअली. इतनी जोर की हवा चल रही है ना कि इतनी जोर की आवाज़ आ रही है. सी वी रीच्ड जेंट्स सीट व्यू पॉइंट गाइज. सो इसको ये है, ये जेंट्स सीट है व्यू पॉइंट, जिसको उन्होंने एक अलग ही नाम दे रखा है. यहाँ पे जेंट्स लोग शायद बैठते होंगे, बातें मारते होंगे, गप्पे करते होंगे. सिर्फ जेंट्स लोग, नो चिल्ड्रन, नो वाइफ्स अलाउड मे बी. दैट्स व्हाई. ये सारे बाल उड़ गए हैं. ओह माय गॉड, ओह माय गॉड. नहीं ली थी मैंने, इसको नहीं खोना है. Yeah, your country. I will not wear. If what if it flew away? Right, ma'am. My hair. It's free. My hands are shivering actually. It's too much cold here.
But I don't feel cold. I'm accustomed to cold weather.
Hot people.
I love this.
Okay. Yeah. Again मैं मेरी हेड के साथ ही.
Now this way lighting is good actually.
Yeah. गाइस अभी हम सिल्कवॉर्म पार्क में हैं, जहाँ पे हमने बहुत सारी ढेर सारी फ़ोटोज़ क्लिक कर ली हैं. अभी हम जा रहे हैं कुछ और वर्चुअल रियलिटी फ़ोटोज़ देखने के लिए. लेट्स सी हाउ विल दे लुक. तो इसमें क्या होगा ना, एक बटरफ्लाई की फ़ोटो है नीचे.
Stand down.
Oh,
I'll
yeah.
take your picture.
एक मिनट. उसमें है ना एक बटरफ्लाई की फ़ोटो है और मुझे वहाँ पे खड़ा होना है, और जैसे कि बटरफ्लाई मेरे को वो दे रही है, गिफ्ट दे रही है, ऐसे फ़ोटो आएगी उसके अंदर. सो लेट्स सी कैसी फ़ोटो आती है. ऐसी फ़ोटो आएंगी इधर. ये है सिल्कवॉर्म पार्क गाइस.
திருவள்ளூர் படிச்சிருக்காங்க தானே? ஆள் படிச்சிருக்க வழியே
I'll take your pictures, Neha.
How will you take the picture?
Or else we'll go that way.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, that looks good. Yes, turn this side. Oh. Yeah, nice. Yes. Yeah. Come here. Come. Oh, nice. Left hand a bit this side. Yeah. More. Right hand a bit more. Yeah. Yes. Now this looks good.
So guys, अभी हम व्यू पॉइंट्स वगैरह सब कुछ देख के आ गए हैं.
Yeah.
It's God bless on us that there are sun and we can see exact viewpoint. Otherwise, everything will be on the waste. And now we are heading up, and it's taking so much energy. चढ़ नहीं पा रहे हैं, बहुत पैर दुख रहे हैं. अभी हमने सब कुछ देख लिया है, बस एक बॉटनिकल गार्डन रह गया है. बस एक बॉटनिकल गार्डन रह गया है, वो देखना है. उसके बाद हम वापस जाते हैं, खाना खाते हैं. That's all.